Hello Chicago, this is Carlos from CARVAN Cleaning Services here in North Ashland. It's a beautiful day, a little bit chilly. This job we're doing today is a power washing job, and we normally don't do power washing, but we will accommodate special requests. This is a special request from a realtor who uses us very frequently, and he needed to get this patio cleaned up, restored, so ready to sell the home. So we're going to take care of that for him. I already had a team of guys here remove all the plants. There was plants, debris, swept everything up, and I came here with a power washer. We're going to use the rotary machine for the floors and power washing for all the brick, tile, stone, and the wood. Just had the customer come out there and take a look, and you can see the difference. We're using Hydroforce today spinner to take care of this flooring, and I'm using a pressure washer attachment just right there with our 1200 psi pump and a rotary to scrub out the deck. It's coming out pretty good. This is clean. Let's see, dirty over there. How it came out on this side as well. So it's a pretty large patio. Got 2 more sections to go and we're finished.